This is the last Maiden of the FX9635. Hand toss! Holy crap! It's pulling to the left after release. Servo horn and rods have been adjusted for this flight. Let me get some altitude to set some trims. I'm at about 40% throttle. If this doesn't work, I will replace the servo. Seems as no trim happened. Just fucking beeping. Still hard to turn right. Removing trim settings. Not sure if it accepted the trim. Could it be that the trim is delayed? Maybe not being transmitted, or received? Now turning right. Well, it's stalling out. I think it's a servo problem. I will replace the servo next. Lastly, to the viewers, thanks for the help.